Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your FactoHR employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your FactoHR employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address factohr.com like this and hit on enter, and then you will be directed to the home page of FactoHR. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available over here. Click on login, and then you'll be directed over here where you'll be first required to enter your work email or your mobile number like this. I'll be going with my work email like this, which we had registered on FactoHR at the time of creating our account. And after that, click on submit, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password, and after entering your password you will be able to log into your FactoHR account from over here. And then guys, this is how you log into your FactoHR employee account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.